Hello, my name is Dr. Lamonica Williams. I am a clinical assistant professor of educational leadership and policy studies here at Purdue. My passion as an educator and researcher is to prepare aspiring principals and superintendents with the academic and practical knowledge of leading transformative K-12 schools and district organizations. I am dedicated to training highly effective school leaders who anchor their work on the central issues of teaching, learning, and school improvement, and who are moral agents and social advocates for the students and communities they serve. My education encompasses both general and special education and school leadership with a bachelor's in special education, a master's in administration and supervision, and a doctorate in urban education leadership. I am a career educator with over 30 years of classroom school leadership and educational management experience in K-12 environments, where my roles have included teacher, principal, and central office administrator. In my transition to higher education, I've been an instructor now at Purdue for 4 years, where I teach educational leadership courses at the graduate level. I'm looking forward to teaching the class this semester, where I aim to learn with you as well as learn from you.